How to remove numbers in Excel from the left. Excel is a spreadsheet software that allows you to perform various calculations and data analysis tasks. Sometimes, you may need to remove some numbers from the left of a text string in Excel. For example, you may have a product code that consists of a letter and a number, and you only want to extract the number part. There are different ways to remove numbers from the left in Excel, depending on your data and your needs. Here are some possible methods. If you want to remove a fixed number of numbers from the left of a text string, you can use the right function with the len function. For example, if you have the product code A1234 in cell A2 and you want to remove the letter A and get only 1234, you can use the following formula, equals right, A2 len, A2, dash 1. This formula uses the len function to get the total number of characters in cell A2, which is 5. Then it subtracts 1 from it, which is the number of characters you want to remove from the left. This gives 4, which is then used as the argument for the right function. The right function returns the rightmost 4 characters of cell A2, which is 1234. If you want to remove numbers from the left of a text string based on a delimiter, such as a space, a comma, or a dash, you can use the mid function with the find function. For example, if you have the name John Smith in cell B2 and you want to remove John and get only Smith, you can use the following formula superscript 2, equals mid, B2 find, B2, plus 1 len, B2. This formula uses the find function to locate the position of the space character in cell B2, which is 5. Then it adds 1 to it, which is the starting position of the text you want to extract. This gives 6, which is then used as the first argument for the mid function. The mid function returns a substring from a text string based on a starting position and a len. The second argument for the mid function is len, B2, which is the total number of characters in cell B2, which is 10. The mid function returns the substring from position 6 to position 10 of cell B2, which is Smith. If you want to remove all text on the left of a specific string and keep only the right part, you can use the right function with the search function. For example, if you have the email address john.smith@example.com in cell C2 and you want to remove everything before at and get only example.com, you can use the following formula superscript 3, equals right, C2 len, C2, search, at C2. This formula uses the search function to find the position of at in cell C2, which is 11. Then it subtracts it from len, C2, which is the total number of characters in cell C2, which is 20. This gives 9, which is then used as the argument for the right function. The right function returns the rightmost 9 characters of cell C2, which is example.com.